In today's video, we are going to learn how to start using Trello for beginners with this complete 2026 guide. So first, head over to Trello.com and create your free account. You can use your email or just sign in with Google to get started quickly. Once you're logged in, click the Create button in the top right corner, then select Create New Board to make your first project board. Now let's set up your workflow. Click Add a List and create 3 lists. Name them To Do, In Progress, and As Done. This gives you a simple system to track your work. Time to add your first task. Click Add a Card under your to-do list. Enter any task or project item you want to track. Go ahead and click on that card you just created. This opens up the details where you can add a description, set a due date, and create checklist items. If you're working with others, click the Share button at the top of your board. Enter their email addresses to invite team members. Finally, practice your workflow by dragging a card from To Do to In Progress. This is how you'll track progress on all your tasks, and that's how you start using Trello for project management. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.